Hey everybody, this is Wakefield with another video. It's been a while, but I had to talk about this because it's a lot of people making a lot of money with this, so I just had to make a video and tell everybody about it. What I want to talk to y'all today about is Acorns. It's an investment app. They got Robinhood and Public and they got some other apps out there. I think Moo and Webull and all of that. But this app right here, you can invest $5 in 14 days. They got 3 different plans. Bronze, silver, and gold. Bronze is $3 a month. Silver is $6 a month. And gold is $12 a month. What you do, if you're not really just interested in the other stuff, you can get the bronze for $3 a month. And you can invest $5 within 14 days with me. And not only are you going to get your money back, but the thing about this, what makes this so powerful is the fact that they got a affiliate program. And it always changes, but you can get people to come in this program like right here for right now. Okay. If you can bring in 4 friends, they'll deposit $1,100 into your investment account. Each friend is going to get a $5 bonus investment. Plus that 5 that I was telling you to put in, you're going to get that back in a couple of days. But you can start referring people. It changes every so many days. Like this one right here, you have to get 4 people in by the 18th. But they are always offering a nice amount of money every other week. You have to always keep checking it. But like I say, you can, whatever day you sign up, you're usually going to get billed the day after the day that you signed up. So if you signed up on the 3rd of each month, they're going to bill you probably on the 4th of each month. So like I say, you can invest that 5 within 14 days. You only pay 3 a month, 6 or 12 a month, depending on which plan, the bronze, silver, or gold. Then you can invest that initial 5 in 14 days. They're going to give you a $5 bonus investment. Plus, you're going to get your $5 back. And then you can start recruiting like I'm doing and make money. And yeah, that money that they put in your investment account, you can withdraw it if you want to, or you can invest it in whatever you want through Acorns. So this is huge opportunity for people who are looking for a way to make some money. And you can't go wrong because you invest in money. And more people have gotten rich through investing than any other way. So I'm gonna put the link below, and like I say, make your initial investment within 14 days, and then you're gonna get the $5 bonus and the $5 that you initially invested back. And then, like I say, you can start recruiting people. So with that being said, y'all have a wonderful, blessed day and get signed up. All right, peace.